Hi everybody. In this video we are going to learn how Minow Cloud is working. Okay, so this is Minow Cloud's URL. You need to copy this and paste it over here. Okay, so first step is login. If you already have a login, you can log in it from here, your email address and password. If you have not created your account yet, then you can go to register now from here. Account name, let's say Mantra Demo 2120. Email address Mantra Demo 20, and the password is okay. Let's register your account. Okay, once you click on register, after filling all this detail, registration successful, activation email has been sent to your account. Okay, so now what we need to do is go to our Gmail account, click on the mail we have received, click here to activate your account. Okay, let's click on this. User already activated. That means I already have used this account. Maybe due to this I have received this. It will be showing you that account has been activated. Okay, now let's go and log in. Info user is not activated. Okay, so this is how login has been account has been created in Minow account. So we already have this account registered at different purpose, so we are not logging into that. We do have another user account, so we will log in that. Okay, so as soon as you log in, you have created a new account, and as soon as you log in, this will be your first page. Okay, so company name will be mentioned over here, email address will be mentioned over here. You need to enter your website URL if you do have any. If you don't have, you can mention anything. You need to mention your contact number over here, and you need to mention your address over here. After all these things are done, click on next. It will ask you if you require designation. If don't require, you just click on this. It won't show you in any account of your account pages. Religion, if you require religion, if you require holidays, if you require leaves, and month report start date. Like if you are seeing a monthly report, and you want to see from 21 to 21, 21 to 20, every time you click on monthly report, you want to see from 21 to 20, then you mention 21 over here. So whenever you click on monthly report, it will show you from 21. Okay, service call frequency is something that is needed to be explained in detail, so I'm not explaining it right now, but in further video it will be done. Schedule frequency is something like device service, that is not related important right now, so I am skipping this. Okay, once all these things are done, there will be one more page, that is restore your database. If you are already a Paytime user and you want to switch to Minow Cloud's account, then you need to take a backup of your Paytime account, select file, and select that file, which backup file which you have received from Paytime, and you can upload it from here. So all the employees, all the devices, all the companies, all the branches, all the shift, everything in your Paytime account where there will be synchronized with the Minow account. Okay, so I'm not doing this right now. Okay, so your account creation has been completed. Now transaction year, company, branches, department, designation, employee, devices, and religion. This is all the things which we can enter manually later on. Okay, so in company, when you go to company, it will ask you if you want to add another company. You can add it from here. Its company name, address, email address, on everything. Same thing goes for branch. If you want to create multiple branches, you can create from here. Add branch, select company, branch name, reporting branch, country, state, city. Same way goes for department. If you want to create a department, you can create it from here. Click on department. Same thing goes for designation. If you want to create multiple designation, you can create it from here. Add designation, write designation name, and save it. Now there is employee. General step is you go to create a Minopt Cloud account. You go to employee, register an employee. For employee registration, you need employee code. You can mention it anything like alphanumeric. Name of that person, address, date of birth. Their email address is mandatory. Phone number, mobile number, religion. Okay, once this is done, you need to make HR policy. If you don't have, you can make it from here. Click on add. If you do have week off, you can select it from here. If you have second week off, you can select it from here. In second week off, if you do have options like first and third of every month Saturday, I do have off, then you can select it from here. If you have all, you can select all. Okay, if this particular person, or if the person who is following this HR policy does want OT, overtime, then if you want, then you can click on yes. If you don't want, then you can click on no. Okay, name that HR policy. You can write anything. HR policy 1. If there is any half day, you can select it from here. Same thing goes for everything. Okay, next is out punch accepted within. This is something not required. Okay, so if you require anything, it will be shown you over here. If you are not understanding, out punch accepted within is something like that. That from time you have punch, how many hours will it be considered as in punch, same day punch. Okay, so this is how you make an HR policy depending on your company's rule. Once HR policy is made, you can select it from here. Punch ID, you need to mention it over here. Punch ID is something like that enrollment ID in machine. When you enroll biometric data to your machine, it will be it should be mentioned it over here. Joining date is important. If the joining date, if the employee is punching from like consider second of July, and you are mentioning joining date of today, then it won't be showing you transaction of from 2nd of July to 26th of July. Okay, so make sure you mention joining date correctly. Okay, company name, select company name, which if this employee is in this company or different company, select it over there. Role is something like if we are giving him admin, then he can access all this menus, but there are different roles. We can create it Later on we will see how to create different role. Employee, we are selecting employee in a role right now. HR, their branch. Reporting person, if that person is reporting to whom. Department, which department he belongs to, which shift he is going to come, which designation he has, and click on save. Right now I am not saving. Once you have registered an employee in this account, it won't be deleted. You can edit it, but you cannot delete it. Okay. Once all the employees are enrolled, you need to go to device, register your device. Okay. Once device is registered, your device will start sending you data. You can see live transaction in transaction monitor. Okay, so this will be our live transactions coming from the machine, from which transaction has came. Okay, now if you want to see a report, then you need to go to dashboard, analytic dashboard, select a filter, which company you want to see a report, which branch, from which date to which date, from for which department. Now for which employee, like I'm checking for an employee. Okay, let's take my name. Okay, all are reports. Okay, select whichever report you want to see. Like if I want to see daily in out report, I will click on that. So this is daily in out report. Okay, now consider you want to take it Excel of this, then click on print button over here. Okay, it will open your new tab. Okay, so this is the print preview. So now let's say if you want that in Excel, and click over here. So all these formats it will give you, like PDF, Excel, RTF, DOX. So now this is the report which we have saved. This is an Excel format. Okay, so this is the overall flow, how the MinOps work. Okay, let us know if you have any issues. Thank you.